Trash. If you click on Trash via the blue navigation, you will arrive at the Trash Overview page. Here you will find all pages and news articles that have ever been deleted. This way you can select deleted content and put it back via Trash action. Handy, for example, if you ever deleted a page and you want to put it back online. What I would give you as a tip is that if you no longer want to show a page, you can also set it to Hidden. Then you don't delete the page, but you make it hidden from website visitors. If you just want to delete the page or post, you can always do that. You can always retrieve it if needed. To get ready for the launch of the website, you only have one thing left to do: the settings.